Dear student, welcome to the class of Sanskrit. Today we will going to see chapter number 8, Manushya Sinhayo Maitri. Manushya means human being, Sinhayo means Sinha means lion, Manushya Sinhayo means of human being and lion. Maitri means friendship. So the translation can be like this: friendship of a lion and a human being. The title of the story is Friendship of a Lion and a Human Being. How can one think that a lion can be a friend of a human being? But it is possible. Animals are so good that if we behave well with them, definitely they will also behave with us in a well manner. Okay? Unless and until they are threatened by us or troubled by us, they will not going to attack on us. That is the naturality of animals. And in the history also, if you are going to see, there are many examples in which animals have played a very important role in a man's life. Sometimes they are useful to reduce our stress. There are many incidents are there in which animals save the life of their master. Here also one story is there. It was and it is a true incident happened in our region Saurashtra only. And there are many such a kind of stories in a storybook written by Sri Jawarchandra Meghani named Saurashtrani Rasdar. In that book, there are many such stories are there in which we can read some unique stories between the friendship of this horse and a human being, or lion and a human being, or how the animals have played a nice role, means role of a servant, or we can say friend, or each and everything of in one's life, that they try to serve their master in every way. They saved their life also at the cost of their own life. Okay. They lay down their own life to save their master's life. There such a kinds of many examples are there in this book. There are various stories having such an example. Now here what is our regular way is, I will read the paragraph, then the meaning, and then translation. Today we will going to see two paragraphs. This first paragraph and the second paragraph. Okay. And then we will see the another lesson in the textbook exercise in the next video. Means today I am going to send you only part 1 of this lesson. Next time I will send part 2 as well as the question answers of this lesson. So now listen to the reading. I am going to read the lesson. सौराष्ट्र प्रदेशे सताधार ग्रामस्य समीपे मोटी मौनपरी नामक ग्राम वर्तते. कति वर्ष पूर्वे तस्मिन् ग्रामे मात्रावाला नामक एकः कृषिवलः आसीत्. नद्या तटे कृषिवाटिका आसीत्. मात्रावाला प्रतिदिनं वाटिकायां वृक्षतले स्थित्वा नद्या जलम् अपश्यत्. So now what is the things are there that I will going to tell you the translation afterward. First you listen to the meaning. Saurashtra Pradesh means in the region of Saurashtra. Satadhar Gramasya means of Grama means village. Satadhar means name of village. You know that very well known religious place is there. Many people from every corner of the India, many followers are there of that place, and they are going there to have a darshan of that place. Okay. Very well known saint named Shamji Bapu happened over there, and because of that this place is very well known not only in Gujarat but throughout India also. So Satadhar is a name of a religious village. Sya means of, Samipe means near, Moti Monopari is a name of a village, Namaka means name, Grama means village, Vartate means is. कति वर्ष पूर्वे means many years before. Kati Varsh. Exactly when we are not able to say the year, then we use the word Kati Varsha. Kati Varsha means many years or some years. Purve means earlier, before. Tasmin Grami, in that village. Matra Valah means name Matra Vala. Matra Vala is the name of a person. Namaka means name, Eka means one, Krushivala means farmer. Asit means was. Nadya Tate means on the bank of river. Nadya means of river, Tate means on the bank. Krushivatika means farm. Asita means was. Matravala, name of person. Pratidinam, every day. Vatikayam, of the farm. Vrukshatale, under the tree. Sthitva, staying or seated. Nadya Jalam is the water of river. Apashyat means so. So, now listen to the translation. A village named Moti Monpare is near of a village Satadhar in the region of Saurashtra. Many years ago, a farmer named Matrawala lived in that village. Many years before, a farmer named Matrawala lived in that village. A farm was on the bank of a river. Every day, sitting under a tree in the farm, Matrawala saw the water of the river. Here you can see in the picture that Matrawala person is there sitting on a cot. Cot is under the tree, and you can see that a lion is there for drinking water. Now the next paragraph. एकदा स अपश्यत सिंह स्वभार्याया सह नद्यजलपानार्थम आगच्छत. नद्याजले स्थितमकर सिंहभार्यायाः वधम् अकरोत्. सिंह तस्या रक्षणाय प्रयत्नम् अकरोत्, किन्तु निष्फल अभवत्. दुःखितः सिंह नद्या तटे अतिष्ठत्. चतुर्णां दिनानाम् अनन्तरं यदा मकर नद्या तट समीपम् आगच्छत्, तदा सिंह शीघ्रतया आक्रमण अकरोत्. तयोः मध्ये युद्धम् अभवत्. सिंह मकरस्य वधम् अकरोत्, किन्तु सः स्वयमपि क्षतिग्रस्त भूत्वा तत्रैव अपतत्. Now what happened, as I told you that you can see in this picture that there is lion and lioness is there drinking water of the river. Then what happened here in the another picture, you can see that a crocodile is there. It emerged from the water of river and it took the lioness leg in his mouth. And you know, crocodile is very powerful in the water. We can say that nobody is as powerful as crocodile in the water. Though lion is king of jungle, but he is not. It is not possible for him to defeat lion in the water. So what happened? Now here I am going to give the meaning of the paragraph. Ekada means once. Saha means he. Here for Matrawala saha. Apashyat means so. Siha means a lion. Swabharyaya saha, with his wife. Bharya means wife. Bharyaya means with wife. Swa means his. Nadya means of water, of river. Jalapanartham, for drinking water. Agachata, came. Nadya jale. Nadya jale means in the water of a river. Sthita makara. Makara means crocodile. Sthita means stayed. Sinha bharyayah means of lioness. Vadam akarat means killed. The crocodile dragged the lioness in the water and crocodile killed Siha Bharyaya means killed the wife of a lion. Siha, the lion, tasya rakshanaya, to protect her. Prayatnam akarat. Prayatna means effort. Akarat means deed. Kintu, but Nishphala abhavat. Nishphala means not succeed. Abhavat means in the past tense did not succeed. Dukhita Siha, sad lion. Dukhita, adjective for lion. What kind of lion? Sad lion. Dukhita Siha means sad lion. Nadya tate, on the bank of river. Atishtat means stay. See how the lion has the love for his wife, that when he was not able to save his wife from crocodile, he stayed there only to take revenge. Okay. So it means we human beings are not only have love for each other, but even love is we can say essence of life which is there in every living beings. Here lion also have depth love for his wife. So when he was not able to protect his wife, then he decided to stay over there and to take the revenge of lioness. So Siha Nadya Tate Atishtat. Chaturnam Dinantaram. After 4 days. Anantaram is after. Yada, when Makara, crocodile, Nadya Tata Samipam. Nadya means of river, Tata means bank, Samipam means near. Agachat came. Tada, then Sinha, the lion, Shigrataya, quickly, Akramanam Akarat, did attacked or attacked. Tayo Madhye, Tayo means they both, Madhye means between. Ghora Yuddham, furious war. Abhavat means happen or took place. Sinha, the lion, Makarasya Vadam Akarat. The lion killed the crocodile. Kintu, but Saha, he, Swayam Api, himself also, Kshatigrasta means wounded. Kshatigrasta means wounded. Bhutva, having become. Tatreva, Sandhi is there, Tatra plus Eva. Tatreva, there only. Apatat, fall. Apatat means fell, sorry, not fell. Fall, past tense, fell. Apatata, fell. So now listen to the translation. Once he saw a lion with his wife come to the come to the river for drinking water. A crocodile stayed in the water of river, killed the wife of lion. The lion tried to protect her, but not succeed. The sad lion stayed on the bank of the river. After 4 days, when the crocodile came near the bank of the river, then the lion quickly attacked. A furious fight took place between them. The lion killed the crocodile, but he himself, also having become wounded, fell down there only. So here we are going to stop over. Now how the friendship happened, still we don't know how the friendship happened, but we're going to see in the next period. Till the time you listen to the video, okay, there I sometimes I stopped because to find out the proper word to explain the lesson. So forgive me for that stopping in between, but listen to the video. Then I am also sending the PDF for the translation of these 2 paragraphs. That also you please note down with meaning in your CW and read the lesson again so you can understand the lesson. In the next period we will see the another paragraph and the textbook exercise. Till the time, goodbye.